everyone. Welcome back to Hello English Podcast. I'm Helen.
And I'm John. Today we're going to talk about something everyone needs: how to start a conversation in English.
Yes, sometimes starting a simple chat feels harder than passing an exam.
Especially when your brain suddenly forgets all English words, even hello.
So today we'll fix that. We'll learn some easy, friendly ways to start a conversation and how not to panic.
Let's start with the basics. When you meet someone, don't worry about being perfect. Just smile and say, "Hi," "Hello," "Hey, how are you?"
And if you want to sound more natural, you can say it like this. "Hey, how's it going?" That means the same as "How are you?" but it sounds more relaxed. After "Hello," you can add something friendly. For example, "Nice to see you." "You look happy today." "I love your bag."
People love compliments. Just make sure they sound natural. Don't say, "Your hair looks like sunshine in the morning," unless you're writing a love song.
Yeah, that might be too much for small talk. But saying something simple like, "I like your jacket," always works.
Now, what if you want to start talking with someone new, maybe in class, or at a party, or on a bus? Here are some great starter questions. Is this seat taken? Are you from around here? Do you come here often? The weather's nice today, isn't it?
The weather. The world's favorite topic. It's safe, easy, and everyone can say something about it.
Yes, you can just say, "It's so hot today," or "I can't believe it's raining again."
And the other person will probably answer. Boom, conversation started. Many students say, "I want to talk, but I feel shy." That's normal.
When you feel nervous, remember this trick. Ask questions instead of talking too much. People love talking about themselves.
Exactly. You can ask, "What do you do? Do you like this city? How long have you been learning English?"
And if you forget what to say next, just smile and nod. That's international language.
True. The smile and nod technique always works. Let's practice together. I'll be the stranger. John, you try to start a conversation.
Okay. Hey, do you come here often?
That sounds like a dating app line.
Oops. Okay, let's try again. Hi, how's it going?
Pretty good, thanks. The weather's great today, isn't it?
Yeah, finally some sun. So, are you from around here?
Perfect. See? That's how a simple chat starts. Naturally, friendly, and relaxed. Now another trick. Use phrases to show you're listening. They make the other person feel comfortable. Try these. Uh-huh. Yeah, totally. Right. I know what you mean.
You don't even need long sentences. Just these small listener sounds. Uh-huh, yeah, right. They make you sound friendly and confident.
Now, what if you want to change the topic politely? You can use connecting phrases like, "By the way," "Speaking of," "That reminds me."
Yes. For example, "By the way, do you like movies?" Or, "Speaking of travel, have you ever been to Chile?"
These phrases are like bridges. They help you move smoothly from one topic to another, and they sound super natural.
Let's finish with our top 3 tips for small talk in English. Tip number 1, smile.
It's your best word, even without speaking.
Tip number 2, ask simple questions. Short questions keep the conversation going.
Tip number 3, don't worry about mistakes. People care more about your attitude than your grammar.
Exactly. Confidence beats perfection.
Try one of these phrases today. Say, "Hi," to someone new.
And remember, every big conversation starts with one small word. Hello.
Remember, everyone feels shy sometimes, but the more you speak, the more confident you become.
Yes. Learning English is like learning to swim. You can't do it by watching others. You have to jump in the water.
That's true. So go out there and start talking. You never know where one small hello can lead. If you enjoyed this episode, don't forget to subscribe and give us a thumbs up. It really helps more learners find our podcast.
And get ready. In our next episode, we'll talk about how to order food in English. We'll take you to a restaurant and show you exactly what to say, without panic,
Yes, you'll finally know what to say when the waiter asks, "What would you like to drink?" So don't miss it. See you next time.
Bye, everyone.
Thanks for listening to Hello English Podcast. And remember, keep speaking, keep smiling, and keep learning.